Mama wakwaba wo frame adwoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel near notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuafo nipa ya okase eye penimpa ewo Kwahu ahimfie na the ensem bia todwa a wo kire se 2024 about to yede yanimi eba betu hono kasa on mapenda da John Dramani Mahama betu bia wini won wini nde anasa ochina nanim de obetumi akọ obetumi abọ no mmọden akọ nanim yie pa kakra na embom ne se nwini pa de Vice President Dr. Bawumia obebiti no poto Vice President be wini nti NPP fo nkomo akomantu omuyem no mapenda da John Dramani Mahama de se Ghana fo so mo mpeno no pa no mo mpeno nye so mo mpeno se bia NDC party na wo ho ye hi ana se NDC party na yempe NDC o NPP odukadaya obey ya bia baka we na yehu hwe na emom no ka NDC beba nso de ka NPP international because NPP on policies be way good policy means what the person implementation na akoya asem but nye den NPP de ye enti batonya na meka Ghana fo na eka ti papa ye kire se and the Vice President Dr. Bawumia we biti o ma penda da John Dramani Mahama yenti enti ma papa ye e de etidwa
10 points difference bebe Bawumia be mano 10 points
10 points no
I just say 60 na Mahama ne obaya de obenya 40
o predicted election 2024 said Dr. Bawumia benya 60%.
Yeah, na Bawumia benya 60. Na Mahama so obaya de obenya 40.
Abakofi, you are on record. You are live on Adum TV.
I'm the American.
Wasan editu dwa se Kwahu Hene a wonya ne baby ko da sebre eku amoaboaten a otoso mienu no ye nipa bi a obre ne ho ase pa enu nti na otimi eko ninim saa e ma o ma
systems. A country is not run with one big guy who thinks that he can go and then go and break everything and then pull everything that he wants to do. No. Question me be say simple say yes so that bang na would say yes CD and now say dollar e kosoro e ma dollar na ba form. This is the fucking first time. That is what I want you to recognize. This is the first time. And that tells you say aban bi shewa wo ye adwuma aban bi shewa wo ye adwuma e de boa Ghana. Asiafu anyansa ni mutiri mu nya ato na mo de kese mo aton madwene. Let me just tell you guys. Mo hwe so nya mo campaign. Na me muntumi ntaache me. Whatever plans you are planning no e bo kama me muntumi ntaache me. Because me the team mu no so chance am say mu na mo te platform so am planning for me no. Na me no just say my how do you call it, busy. My busy to get certain things done. Until I say these days na me share them people and come no be share pa na de am be no ye ne nhwe. Me bagana how many months? And I'm here day. Anyways, don't find me man. Obi aba me page no so sebe or ha me. What's the main fruit be ma me nya fruit ni pan one ba fe me ma ye busy me ye me adwuma no na be. All right. Hey, Kwesi Apia crying. Don't let NDC destroy your heart, for they are just nuisance. They have no shame and will never change. Enya Jimison. Enya Kwesi Asem. How do you tell me, say, I buy or no the dollar no coin went to me and found my form? Or be the dollar no coin, so coin, no the dollar no perform. What does that tell you? Or you're capable, or you're competent? And I said the fundamentals and the NDC if we're born in some more candidates and someone wakano ekumu nipa. One on so many na akrom for one so can ho bi. MPP for akrom for we ka ho. MPP for ya Jimmy for we ka ho. MPP for we abem no ni chief instructor a wo kire mu fa we sha ne yenwia. Nti e den no no abeka tro so ono ne de no ate ne ho. Nti ono no ye holy. Nti e se be MPP nya papa. Like I said, I don't want to give reverence to that camp because some of them still hasn't come to grasp it. Said they be the Ankrofo came papa yi sempo no obeyo ye daache eni da so a niam bi wo no ho esese yetumi boa ema no tumi tete free no ho nyam bi wo ho a ese otumi sua na otumi build no ho udo bi a o ka ne mfom so kire no. You don't let them become elephant in the room. You are an enabler to bad things. Because of their obedience to me in can say chairman their why ye sometimes ojina stage so na say okasa otumi ka asem ni bi oka ya na mo ankasa mujina oni ni na mujina say eh yede na ekoso na abla mo mujina ona otumi jina say eh na yede na ekoso na yede na ekoso because you can see from their facial appearance and say they are not happy with what is going. Men can say, more better Canada over 20-something years. Who tries to be made president or Ghana and Wabrabons, you are shallow. More better America over 32 years. Who Guinness will be made president or Ghana and Wabrabons, you failed. You failed. And instead of you fighting for the things now, who enjoy where brochre no, you rather use to Jimmy rice ne fried tony delay mackerel. Some kwasia me by force. Ye buy ya maya she take away a chair ya cry and ya binti ya bekwa kotu abetia. Sansem hunono. Sansem hunono is rather what you rather support than supporting systems that change everything. Amen mamba kranododo. Amen mamba kranododo. Unim di entia brochre minister bi etu onu sikan to me finance ase. Eyen hyehyeye na o wo mukwaji sika hyehyeye na de koye ABC di ntia dan wo mu de ya na bi because eye digitize. The system is such that it is hard for you to beat the system. And now no more boy be asem because boy ni say the system is working 247. Yet the same system ba ukro media was won pe eye be ye. Me can am be sabi ebinim bu afu and a fellas because you people don't want the truth. Mum pe no kra no. Mu po obi a obeba be se ne ka no. Obeba be water your laziness. What's Nasia? Why you want to say one more? I say last. I made some analysis. Be say, okay, ya will be a ne papa ne mama no. Ye do mo be ye ni na so omo de ne be den ebe ko school. Sa akwada no wo the school fees man na no akodi. Enu nti enne na brabo abo asesa. Esansa wono wanhwa no so ye ntiatia ne niam ye na anko ye nti no. Opese onu ni na de ntuma bebo ntuma no ne yaka se oh ya aban no na amwa yen. Last me be say question bi. President Rollins wo obi ana ye sikani there bi. President Kufuor ba obi ana ye sikani there bi. President Mills ba obi ana ye sikani there bi. President Mahama ba obi ana ye sikani there bi. Kufuor ba obi ana ye sikani there bi. So what do you think said is just the president? Why do you think that it's just the president? It is systems, and that is why I keep saying, say, unless we are before I will crampa the papa Edema Ghana and I'll be cast on Bawumia, and I'll be here saying Trona, yeah, candy goodness no, and or liar, and or can say, a dear no one can liar so you to me. A dear no Bawumia, I chance or liar, ye to me. And if the fundamentals are weak, why, shallow. Is that not so? Isn't it so? Isn't it so, sir? If your fundamentals are weaker, the exchange rate would expose you. Didn't it happen during Mohammed's time? MP before you there, didn't it expose them in 2022? Whereby, because of the things that they have spent money on during the COVID, Niamo mama free, Yabuni free, electricity Yabuni free, Sika editor then fumigation, yeah, they are the fumigating markets, their schools, dormitories, now there, you keep all of that so that kids can go back to school. All those money, all those expenses, that was not budgeted for. Something we forget. Definitely no, and the whole beba betoho. So you'll be exposed in that way, say, you didn't have that much money and you had to spend. Because your priority as a government was to save lives. And someone another kind, you know. Also, to save lives. Hey, to the let's go according to Mwanka Samon Samu, mo person mo de say Bawumia dino. Glass me baby Samo say. Ghana ye see sway. We NDC new. We a PQYU. We a Kwiadonko. Sa dear we mo be answer. Now so me and then mo be answer because moya mo ho say mo mpesa mo de no kure ebedi sebe adwuma e wo Ghana ho. Me bisa mo say da ben from Rollins in Kroma one time. Yeah, ma me no mo anwanyini e champ on no time. Da ben na mo say yes say ya too crazy mu ako 2 CD. Now what you me ensechi yes say ya so from 2 CD na dey about 1 CD and I say 50 pesos. Mo ma me sa date no. Mo me yan cross check sa date no. Some passe Bawumia and our son and economy now to take economy now pansama. Fair enough. Let's give you your own stones. Question maybe someone say, yes, see, so